Hello, viewers. This is another tale that is brought to you. It is titled Olohun, that is, Who is God? It is encompassing in the three religions, the traditional worship part, Christianity, and Islamic. You know, this is where we know those that are truly serving God and those that are fake. And it's also a comedy. It's also a drama. You see, it talks about the uniqueness of God and how God will never leave those that are truly worshiping Him. It talks about how a young lady found herself in an ordeal and she was trying her possible best just to come out of this ordeal. She has been to different places for solution, and if the right place of the solution has not been stepped or has not been involved, the situation might still remain the same. Anyway, we want to know who is truly God in the life of the human being, and there are veteran actors and actresses in this movie. You can see Juliet Jato, you can see Tosin, and a lot of them in this movie, and Tara Laniyo. It is an epic also, and it opens people's eyes to what to do, especially when they are in problem or trouble. Sit back, grab your pop, and let's journey into this tale. Thank you very much. As you like and subscribe.